Okay, so those are the different types of salts you can get, and as I said, though, what is the definition? Sorry, what is the definition of a salt? Then it's essentially something that is made when you react a metal with an acid. So from now on, instead of thinking of salt as something you sprinkle on your food, think of salt as something that is made, a compound that is made when you react a metal with an acid. So that's essentially what a salt is. Quite. First of all, edible salt is also a metal salt, just like any other salt. All salts have metal in them. Well, okay, not all of them, but at this level, we can assume that they all do. There are some exceptions, but we're not going to concentrate. You should never really think about the exceptions until you've learnt the rule. Really, I would say. Okay, let me just pull this one again. So now it's go on. So what are these reactions that happen in each case? Well, with this one, if I react a metal with an acid, it's you get this. So metal. It's really not being responsive at the moment. So metal plus acid. Well, normally not. So metal plus acid produces a salt and hydrogen. Okay. So in other words, let's say if we had copper plus hydrochloric acid, so let's do an example, e.g. copper well, no, you're going to get hydrogen because that's what happens whenever you react a metal with an acid. Hydrochloric acid. Well, definitely hydrogen because it's always, but then what we need to know is what is the name of the salt, and the name of the salt would be copper chloride. So let me just finish this one off. So that's what happened if we react a metal with an acid. Metal oxide with an acid, you're going to get metal oxide. I might restart my computer after this. It's being strange. So metal oxide plus acid. This time, again, produces a salt. But the thing that it produces as well as the salt is not hydrogen, it's water. Yeah. So this time with metal carbonate, well, you may know, but I think I'd be impressed if you did know because there's quite a lot to work out to find it out. So, you might be able to guess one of them. I'll tell you, it's going to be a gas using carbon. So it's carbon dioxide. Because the metal carbonate actually has oxygen in it, and the acid has the water in it. The acid has the the hydrogen in it, so it also makes water.